Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and yes, I'm feeling much better, you guys. Today we're going to be doing a wig video. I'm going to be showing you this super beginner friendly wig I got from DSoar hair. You guys, it came pre-plucked. It's so easy to put on. If you're a beginner, you guys, I'm telling you, this wig is for you. So this is one of their 13x6 lace front wigs, and we're gonna start off with some straight backs. Okay, you want to make sure your hair is nice and back and all out the way. And this is what your wig is gonna look like after you've co-washed it. So when you first get it, it looks a little bit tighter in curls, but all you have to do is co-wash it to reveal the nice, beautiful, luscious curls. The hair was really nice, and I love that it came in this nice dark color. It looks almost jet black. And also the wig comes pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach my knots, and I was pretty much ready to go. The lace already came a really pretty color, so I didn't have to do much to that at all. But it comes pre-plucked. It came with baby hairs. And you guys, if you don't know how to, like pluck and do all these extra things to your wig, definitely try out this wig because it is super easy. So this is what the inside looks like. It does come with adjustable straps, and it came with combs, but as you guys know, I always take mine off. So now I'm just putting on my wig, and as you guys can see, it's like a perfect fit. I was almost shocked how perfect this wig was for my head. Everything lined up perfectly. And I didn't have to do, you guys, any work. This is such a throw on and go wig. So now my next step I'm gonna do is just cut my lace. And I'm using my little bitty scissors, and I'm moving those in a back and forth motion because, you guys, you don't wanna cut your lace straight across. It's gonna make it look so fake. And as you guys can see, this lace just melts into my skin. It literally came the perfect color. And this lace was so soft and so seamless. I really like the lace DSoar hair has added to their wigs. It is very good quality. So this wig is definitely for anyone that wants really pretty hair, really good quality at an affordable price. So I filmed this video, you guys, probably a few weeks ago, and I've been wearing this wig ever since. And you guys, let me tell you, I absolutely love the hair. The hair isn't, tangling, it isn't shedding or anything like that. It is really soft hair, and I'm really happy with the quality of this wig. And right now I'm just, I'm still cutting my lace, just trying to get everything nice and get the placement down packed. And I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray just to tack this wig down. I mean, honestly, you can sew an elastic band on the wig and you won't have to do this step, but I do like the little bit of added security. If you glued this wig down, you guys, I'm telling you, it would look like scalp. It would literally look like it's growing from your head. All I had to do was add a little bit of freeze spray and use my dryer to tack everything in place. And you guys, the wig just turned out so pretty. And now I'm gonna add a few baby hairs. You guys know I love my baby hair. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna pull a little bit of hair out and use my razor to cut the hair on an angle. But honestly, a lot of baby hair isn't even needed. And now I'm just using a little bit of Got To Be gel to brush my baby hairs in place and tame them a bit. But you don't even really have to gel them down. You can honestly keep them free and having that soft look because it just, I don't know, you guys, everything just laid so good with this wig. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of water and conditioner just to help my curls pop back out and redefine my hair. And during this process, you guys, it was really easy. The hair doesn't need much to define at all. It is very nice and soft. And I was able to, use my fingers just to detangle everything. And with these wigs, you guys, especially with curly hair and wavy hair, less is more, you guys. Adding a whole lot of product into your hair can weigh it down, make it tangle, make it start shedding. So make sure you're using minimal product. Honestly, these hairs work better when they're free of a whole lot of product and debris, when it's nice and just freshly co-washed and you just use a little bit of water and conditioner. This hair didn't even need any oils or anything in it because I'm telling you, stuff like that will weigh your hair down and make it start to tangle, okay? So at this point, you guys, I was feeling myself. I was feeling the hair. I thought it just looked really cute and so natural. Like, this wig looks so good, you guys. Like, I promise it looks like just a regular sew-in. Look at how the lace is like melted, okay? I didn't have to glue this down. All I used was a little bit of Got2b spray, and it just blends so seamlessly, okay? So seamless. Like, look at that. It's absolutely flawless. Definitely check the link in the description bar below, you guys. If you're a beginner or you're somebody that just want to try out wigs for the first time, I definitely recommend this wig. You won't be disappointed. Texture is amazing. The density is amazing. And overall, it's just a really good wig for the price. Like, you can't beat it. Like, this thing is so full. And I believe this wig was about 22 inches, or maybe it was 24 inches. I'm not too sure. And honestly, you guys, I literally just cannot get enough of this lace. Like, it looks so good, and it just lined up with my head perfectly. I had no issues putting on this wig whatsoever. And here is the back of it. Like I said, you guys, it is very full. Like, it is a lot of hair on this unit. I'm pretty sure it's like 180 density. I'm not too sure though. And I absolutely love this length on myself. And you guys, you can see the curl pattern a little bit more here. So thanks for watching, you guys. Again, if you're interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.